Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Sana's Kitchen. Today we are going to make a very interesting recipe that's called dhaba style dal tadka. It's prepared just in few minutes and a very tasty and delicious recipe. If you like my recipe today, do like my channel and do subscribe it also. Now I go to the recipe. Now this is how it looks, the delicious recipe. For the ingredients, I go. See, what we have to take is half cup tur dal and half cup chana dal and just soak it in water after washing it, of course. For the masalas, keep these things ready, that is onions, green chilies, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, chopped tomato, one large chopped tomato. Just chop it and keep everything ready. By the time that soaked dal is ready, add a little salt in it according to your taste and pressure cook it for 2 whistles. Now take 1 teaspoon oil in a pan. Prefer olive oil because it gives much interesting taste. Let it sizzle, just sizzle for a while, and then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, and 3 to 4 curry leaves, 3 pods of garlic, 2 green chilies. You can add more green chilies if you want more spicy, but then we are again adding red chili powder also, so then you have to keep that also in mind. Now add 1 large chopped onion or 2 medium onions. If 2 medium onions or 1 large onion is more than enough, and let it cook for 5 minutes or more than enough till it gets soft. You do not need to do it golden brown, just do it a lightly pinkish. That's more than enough. Let it turn soft. Now you can see as the onion has turned soft, now you can add chopped tomatoes. Add 1 large chopped tomato. When you add tomato in it, it starts leaving water. You can see how it's leaving water. And then you add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and then mix it well. Now let the masalas get cooked for 2 to 3 minutes more. Remember that we have not added salt yet. Add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste again plays a very important role because it gives that tangy taste. Though we have already added garlic also, but then again ginger garlic paste is a very important ingredient in this dal. Now if you like my dal, do like my channel and subscribe it. Now as you can see, it's getting cooked. Now you just after turning it up and down, you can see now it's sizzling and the color is also changed a bit. Now you add 1 cup of water in it and cover it. Cover for just 5 minutes, more 5 minutes, and let it cook. See, as you can see, this is how it looks. It's looking so delicious from here. It's getting just sizzling delicious. Now you add the cooked dal in it. The pressure cooked dal is already mixed. You can use even moong dal also. You can use a combination of 3 to 4 dals also. That also tastes very nicely. Now you have to add kasturi methi in it. Now this kasturi methi also gives it a very different and interesting taste. But this you have to remember that you have to put it when you have already cooked the dal. Already it is half cooked, and that time we are adding kasturi methi. And then half teaspoon of kasturi methi is more than enough. Finally, you add chopped coriander. See how it's looking so delicious and so colorful. Finally, you have to add salt. And then this is the most interesting part. What you have to do is you have to remove the cooked dal in a serving bowl. And then for the final tadka. For this tadka, I have to take 1 teaspoon oil and add little cumin seeds, a few pinch of cumin seeds, because remember we have already added cumin seeds before also, and 1 bay leaf in it. And then let it sizzle for a while. So you can see I have prepared the whole dal in just 2 teaspoon of oil, remember, and that also olive oil. And add 1 teaspoon of chili powder in it. And just you have to sizzle it for 1 minute, otherwise the chili powder turns black, remember. See, and then this you have to do it on a serving bowl before serving it. This gives the final tangy taste. Thank you so much for watching.